Learn English to Gujarati connectors, nevertheless, therefore, consequently, and
આમાંથી.
welcome, brave connector hunter. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati words that make you sound smart, dramatic, and slightly like a philosopher who also enjoys snacks. Today you will meet tiny words with huge power. Our mission is simple. Learn how to say nevertheless, therefore, consequently, and from this in Gujarati. Your key words today are
તેમ છતાં, તથાપિ, ઇન્દેશ, આથી, એથી, પરિણામે, આમાંથી,
and one very suspicious sweet intruder.
meeting.
Yes, one word wandered in from another universe, and we will use it anyway because language learning loves chaos. 2 ways to say nevertheless. Let's start with a heroic word for tough moments. When life says no, you say yes, but in Gujarati. The first word is
તેમ છતાં.
It means nevertheless. Imagine rain, traffic, a broken umbrella, and a dramatic soundtrack. You still go out.
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો હતો, તેમ છતાં અમે બહાર ગયા.
Another formal and elegant option is
તથાપિ.
also nevertheless. Example.
કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું, તથાપિ તેણે તે પૂર્ણ કર્યું.
Quick memory trick.
તેમ છતાં.
Feels conversational, while
તથાપિ.
sounds more formal and literary. Both are excellent. Both wear tiny capes. Therefore marches in. Now let's meet the logic words. These are the words that walk into a sentence wearing glasses and carrying a clipboard. A common word for therefore is
આથી.
example.
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો હતો, આથી અમે ઘરે રહ્યા.
Another form is
એથી.
example.
રસ્તો બંધ હતો, એથી અમે પાછા વળ્યા.
And from your word set, we also include
ઇન્દેશ.
as therefore. Example.
તે ખૂબ ભણી અને ઇન્દેશ પરીક્ષા પાસ કરી.
So if the cause happens first, the result can arrive with
આથી, એથી,
or
ઇન્દેશ.
cause on the left, consequence on the right, tiny logic party in the middle. Consequently, drama happens. This next word is perfect when you want to sound extra clear, extra polished, and maybe mildly academic. Not boring academic, cool academic. The Gujarati word for consequently is
પરિણામે.
It strongly suggests as a result. Example.
આખી રાત વરસાદ પડ્યો, પરિણામે રસ્તો પાણીથી ભરાઈ ગયો.
Another one.
કિંમત વધી, પરિણામે ઓછા લોકોએ તે ખરીદ્યું.
In short,
પરિણામે.
is what you use when one thing happens and the next thing cannot stop itself from happening. From this, treasure appears. Now for a very practical phrase. It is useful in real life and also in magic shows, detective stories, and messy drawers. The Gujarati phrase for from this is
આમાંથી.
example.
આમાંથી આપણે એક મહત્વનો પાઠ શીખી શકીએ છીએ.
Imagine a magician pulling endless scarves.
આમાંથી.
A tiny box. Or a teacher saying, choose one idea.
આમાંથી.
This lesson. It literally gives you the feeling of taking something out from something near. The sweetly confusing guest. One word in your set looks like it belongs to logic, but instead it brought dessert. Honestly, I respect that. The word
meeting
means sweet. Example.
આ કેરી meeting છે.
Well, in proper Gujarati spelling this would usually be different, but for your given set we keep
meeting
exactly as provided. Why is it here with connectors like therefore and nevertheless? Because vocabulary lists sometimes trip, fall, and land in a dessert shop. Nevertheless, or better.
તેમ છતાં.
We learn it. Mini story of rain, logic, and mangoes. Time for a short, funny story. Listen for all the target words as they pop up like dramatic subtitles. It was raining heavily. My friend said, the road is wet. I said,
તેમ છતાં.
Let us go buy mangoes. He looked at the sky and replied more formally.
તથાપિ.
I admire your commitment to fruit. We forgot the umbrella.
આથી.
We got soaked. The shop was far.
એથી.
We walked very slowly. I saw a puddle, jumped into it, and
પરિણામે.
my sandal made a sound like a dying duck. At the shop, the seller pulled the biggest mango.
આમાંથી.
A basket and said it was.
meeting.
He was right. We were wet, ridiculous, and happy. Logic had failed us, mango had not. Quick dialogue drill. Now you speak in your head or out loud. If your cat judges your pronunciation, the cat is being rude. A. It was difficult. B. Nevertheless, we continued. Gujarati.
તેમ છતાં.
We continued. A. The task was hard. B. Nevertheless, she finished it. Gujarati connector.
તથાપિ.
A. It rained all day. B. Therefore, we stayed home. Gujarati connector.
આથી.
A. The road was closed. B. Therefore, we turned back. Gujarati connector.
એથી.
A. She studied hard. B. Therefore, she passed. Gujarati connector from your set.
ઇન્દેશ.
A. The price increased. B. Consequently, fewer people bought it. Gujarati connector.
પરિણામે.
A. Where did you get the note? B. From this file. Gujarati phrase.
આમાંથી.
A. How is the tea? B. Sweet. Gujarati word.
meeting.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's glue these words into your memory. Not with real glue, that would make the audiobook very difficult to clean. 4.
તેમ છતાં.
Imagine walking through rain anyway. 4.
તથાપિ.
Imagine a serious professor adjusting glasses and saying, even so. 4.
આથી.
And.
એથી.
Picture dominoes. One falls, therefore the next falls too. 4.
ઇન્દેશ.
Imagine a glowing arrow from reason to result. 4.
પરિણામે.
Hear the word, result, in your mind, because it strongly means, as a result. 4.
આમાંથી.
Picture taking a coin from a box. 4.
meeting.
Taste a very sweet mango and try not to eat the vocabulary card. Tiny quiz, big confidence. You are ready. No pressure. Just you, your brain, and a few brave Gujarati words. How do you say, nevertheless? Possible answers.
તેમ છતાં.
Or.
તથાપિ.
How do you say, therefore? Possible answers.
આથી. એથી.
Or in your set.
ઇન્દેશ.
How do you say, consequently?
પરિણામે.
How do you say, from this?
આમાંથી.
How do you say, sweet?
meeting.
Bonus challenge. Say this idea in English, then Gujarati. It was hard, nevertheless, we continued. Connector.
તેમ છતાં.
Or.
તથાપિ.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just trained your brain to connect ideas in Gujarati like a tiny bilingual wizard. Today you practiced.
તેમ છતાં. તથાપિ. ઇન્દેશ. આથી. એથી. પરિણામે. આમાંથી.
And.
meeting.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow even if your brain says, maybe later. Nevertheless, you can do this.